Hi, I'm Norilyn and I'm here to discuss about POS technology in hotel industry. So, why do we need to learn POS? There are two reasons why. First is to know the vital role of POS in the industry, and the second one is to have a broader point of view or knowledge about it. So, without further ado, let's begin with what is POS. POS stands for Point of Sale, also known as Point of Purchase. It is a place where people buy and sell. So, for other point of view, POS is the core of revenue area, where in a micro area or view, it is assumed that POS is a mall, city, or internet. In a micro area or view, it is also like the checkout or cashier counter. So POS can be anywhere where we can complete our transaction. So basically, POS system is the combination of hardware and a software to create a complete transaction process. So there are also importance about the POS. And we have 5 importance. First is the sales reports, gives a good review of business and keep record of its cash flow automatically. Data about product can be found easily. Second is adopt the product offers. Can clearly identify the product, which product categories are the most and the least profitable. Knowledge which departments and items are not performing well can give you the opportunity to develop sales strategy. Therefore, you can adapt your items, menu, and much more depending on your industry. Third is save time. POS system lies in keeping track on the delivery and all goods going out. The system continually tell how much specific product has sold and exactly inform you on what you have in stock. So meaning there is no need for employee to spend on time on keep tracking the activities in your inventory. The fourth is reduce mistakes. If there are changes, it is automatically updated on the system. Like there will be no discrepancy about the activities going on in your industry. Fifth importance of POS is employee management. Can be used to check the additional sales conducted by the employee, and it also helps employees to be aware of his or her personal objectives. And the third, we will talk about the disadvantages and advantages of POS technology. In disadvantages of POS technology, first is the cost of web access. Why? Because the whole point of having a POS system is that it allows you to connect to a single register to a larger network. So for this reason, many businesses decided to go with a web-based system rather than a software, because the web-based optimize the aspects of the POS system. Hence, because of the updates and you want your system to be on top, it will add you expenses and it will be part of your regular expenses. And additional advantages connects with additional cost. Second disadvantage is updates. If you go with a software-based POS system, you will need to continue updating it with new version from the software company or manufacturer, meaning it would be costly in your part, because every time that you will update, money will come from your business because it's quite expensive to have a new version every month or every day. So the third disadvantage is the security risks. Since guests are fond of a debit card or credit card, using it as a payment of method, it is quite risky because the card reader that we use in transactions are somehow divulging pins to other guests, which is not super secured. and it may also lead problem to the part of guest and to the confidentiality of the information of the guest. And that's all the disadvantages of POS technology. And I will repeat. The 3 disadvantages are cost of web access, updates, security risk. And now we will talk about the advantages of the POS technology. First is inventory control. The automated system can reduce the amount of work and expenses associated with running business, which can in turn boost profits and profit margins. Second is product selection. With POS, system managers can run reports that show not only how many items were sold, but which item were the most popular. Meaning, in product selection, the managers can also see the future. They can forecast about it because the system already giving them the idea of what is being sold fast and what is being sold slow. And the third one is allow for mobility, and the fifth advantage is data storage and access. So I'll just repeat the advantages. It is of POS technology. It is the inventory control, product selection, allow for mobility, and data storage and access. And now we will talk about the devices and functions of POS technology. Here you can see the pictures about different devices in POS technology. These devices, we already saw it from the different industry like the shopping store, in the restaurant, and so on. So first we will talk about the display unit or register screen. Its function is a standard monitor which display the product database. With modern POS system, register screen is also synced with your BancEd site. The second device that we will talk about is the POS terminal or credit card reader, and this is it. This is the POS terminal or credit card reader, and we already saw one of it in the grocery store or restaurants or hotels. So a data input device that reads data from the card. The third device is barcode scanner, an essential tool to fasten checkout process. The fifth device is cash register or cash drawer, a box to save cash on transactions. The last device is receipt printer, a printer used to print receipt only. So that was all the devices that are basically saw in the grocery or in every industry that POS system is existing. So the next is example of POS technology in hotel industry. One of the example of POS technology in hotel industry is the food and beverage, restaurant management or the restaurant. It uses POS technology in recipe management, sales analysis, menu management, menu item prices, automated beverage system reports. POS technology is also can be seen in front desk, where it can be used in reservations, checking in, and checking out. It can also be seen in kiosk or express checkout or on your mobile phones and just like that. So that's all my report about, and thank you for listening, and I hope you got an idea about my topic. That's all. Thank you.